Okay, here we go. We got the back hose down again, starter. We're gonna have to take it out. I don't have my photographer here. But there it is down there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna shut the volume off because there's gonna probably be a lot of cursing going on. But I'll keep you informed as I go on. Okay guys, looks like spring's here. We were going to get started on some work, but of course the back hose down, the starter went. We're gonna be taking it apart. I got my tools ready. I got my nice little bench. I don't have my photographer, so I'm probably going to mute it because there's going to be a lot of cursing. Got to get to them bolts. But that's what we do here on the farm. We'll take care of it. Stay tuned. Okay, so we made it down here. I didn't want to film that because that would have, me getting down into this tractor wasn't a pretty sight. So there's my bolts. I'm going to start working on them. Like I said again, I don't have a photographer, so this is going to be on and off. I don't know how this is going to work, but there's one's out. And okay. Okay, here goes number 2. Okay, well, we got it out. Now we're going to take it to a professional and see if we can rebuild it or should I get a new one. Well, here we go. Got it in. Cousin Danny hooked this up. He rebuilt it. And we're going to try it. Got the cables hooked back up. Put the positive back on.